Hello everyone, today we're going to go through how to join the Facebook event and Zoom event for the Monday night trainings and any other trainings that we host as DiamondsR4Life. So you're going to want to start on DiamondsR4Life and once you get to the website, you're going to want to click Events. And you can scroll through the different events that we offer, but this is the one we want to focus on for today, the weekly brainstorming and training sessions. You're going to click either join the Facebook group if you want to join the Facebook Live or register on Zoom. So I'm going to go ahead and click join the group, but before I do that, I just want to show where you can find the tutorial on how to join the meeting via Facebook Live or Zoom. Once this video is uploaded to YouTube, we'll come back here and link it, and that's where you'll click onto it. And then right here is where you can find all the different meeting recordings once we get those up on YouTube as well. So let's go ahead and click join the group. And it's going to take you to this page. Now, as you can see, I'm not logged into Facebook, so it's going to show as a person that's not in the group already. Now I'm going to make a dummy account on Facebook so I can walk you through all of this process. Now if you already have a Facebook account, then you can go to the timestamp on the screen to skip through this process. Alright, so I already have a tab open for signing up for a Facebook account. You're going to want to make sure that you remember what your phone number is that you're using to set the account up with, or your email and the password. So sign up. Okay, so I put in an email address, so I'm going to go ahead and find that code, and then I'll come back here once I found that to enter that code in. Okay, so I found that code, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter it right here. All right, so I'm going to search DiamondsR4Life. And as you can see, the group pops up right here. You can click on that, click join group. There is another way you can do that if you're already signed into your profile. When you click join the group, it'll go straight to it. You can see I am logged in with that new account that we just made. So I'm going to click join group. And you see there's 2 questions that I need to answer. We rarely ever approve requests to join the group if these questions aren't answered unless we already know the person, have been working with them for a while, because we know that they're in the DiamondsR4Life family. So make sure to fill these 2 questions out. That will speed up the process of your membership being approved. So I'm going to put in I agree to the group rules. And then as you can see, we have follow 4Life's policies, be kind and courteous, no hate speech or bullying, no promotions or spam. Submit. Your membership is pending. Now on our side, on the admin side, we are notified that you have requested to join the group. And so we'll go to your request. We'll kind of look at your profile a little bit and confirm the answers to the questions that you were asked on your membership approval, and we will approve your membership and you'll be added to the group. Now for Zoom, let's go ahead and click out of these tabs. For Zoom, you're going to click on register on Zoom. Now from here, we're going to want to click open Zoom meetings, and if you don't have the Zoom app downloaded onto your computer, you're going to want to do that before you go through this process. Once you get to this screen, you can click cancel and then click download now, and it'll take you through a setup wizard on Chrome. The download shows up right here, and you'll just click on it and it'll open when it's finished. I'm not sure what it looks like on other browsers, but that's what it looks like on Chrome. So since I already have that downloaded to my computer, I'm going to click open Zoom meetings. And I'll drag this over here. Okay, I need to drag this over. It's on my other screen. Okay, so it needs me to connect my audio. So if I am on my computer and I have a microphone and speakers, I can join with my computer audio, which is what I'm going to do. But if I don't have a microphone and I want to join in on the conversation, or I don't have speakers, you can join with a phone call. So you're going to select your country, dial one of these numbers, and then put in the meeting ID and your participant ID, and it'll walk you through the steps so you don't have to feel nervous about that. But since I have a headset with speakers, I'm going to click join with computer audio. All right, so as you can see right here with this green thing showing, it's showing my audio is coming through. If I want to mute myself, I can just click that. It says I'm muted. If I want to stop video, which if I had a webcam on this computer, you'd be seeing me talk right now. If I want to stop video, I can click that. Here's the chat to be able to talk with people that are on. Add reactions, raise my hand, different things on there. So that is how you join on Zoom from your computer. Now, on your phone, you're gonna go to DiamondsR4Life just like we did on the computer. I'm gonna click the sandwich menu in the top right hand corner. I'm gonna click events. Scroll down. There's other events on this page, but we're just going to go for this one. And it'll be the same joining group, the Facebook group, as on your computer. But on your phone, for registering on Zoom, you're going to click the button. I have the Zoom app downloaded, so that makes it easier. So definitely download that before you start this process. Okay, and on my side, I have to admit myself into the meeting. You won't have to worry about that. Okay, so it's connecting, and there's two options. I can either join my audio with Wi-Fi or cellular data, which is basically just using the app, or I can dial in. So I'm just gonna click dial in because that's a little bit of a trickier way to do this, just so you can see it. Okay, so there's different numbers we can use. You would just click call on one of these, and it's a one-touch number. So once you click it, it will actually dial the meeting ID and participant ID automatically. I'll click on the top number and I'll put it on speaker.
Welcome to Zoom. Enter your meeting ID followed by pound.
And I don't have to click anything. The phone's gonna do this itself. There it goes.
You are in the meeting now. There is one other participant in the meeting.
Okay. So I can hear myself in my headset. So I'm going to go back to Zoom. And as you can see, I'm in the meeting. I'm going to click mute, and I can no longer hear myself in the in my headset. I'm going to click stop video, click on more down here, and I can see the chat. I can be like, hello. You can raise your hand if you have a question and you're all on mute. You can raise your hand and it'll let us know that you're ready to ask a question. You can use any sort of background filters, kind of mess around with it. Okay. That is how you join a Zoom meeting from your phone. Once you leave the meeting, it should disconnect your audio.
Goodbye.
Yeah. So I hope that was helpful. Let us know if you guys need any other steps involved in this. We would love to help with that. And we hope to see you guys on the meetings.